Hello, my name is Mariana Rodriguez. I've been working on the Nexus Regional Dialogues since 2019. I had the pleasure to head the program from the German development side until the end of last year. So here we are today at the closing of the Nexus Regional Dialogues Programme, where we are gathering together to look at our results. And let me take a look at what has been achieved in Central Asia and to highlight the role of CAREC in this process. I would like to say that the role of CAREC in Central Asia has been very important, has really made a difference in the region. Why? Because they have been able to bring together 5 countries to work together around projects of mutual interest, infrastructure projects, but not only that, also to bring sectors together, which is actually a big challenge. And what has been the approach? Not only to look at big infrastructure projects of mutual interest, but to start small, to start with pilot projects that can show the impact on the communities. And this has been successful with a project on sardobs. And this has impacted the migrant rural communities in that region. And this inspired not only policymakers in Central Asia to take bigger steps on bigger projects, but also this approach was adopted in other regions, like the Niger Basin, or also in the Middle East, in Egypt, or in Jordan. So to have a big impact, you have to start small. And this was a very good approach from CAREC. On top of this, they didn't only focus on, let's say, the project side, the infrastructure side, but also take a look at the advocacy side and the educational part to bring innovative tools to demonstrate the value add of working together towards projects of common interest. And this through a board game on the Nexus. This has been adopted at a global scale by the Global Nexus Secretariat and has been spread over the 5 regions that are part of the Nexus Regional Dialogues. And this by initiative of CAREC that brought this innovation into the program. And finally, I would like also to highlight the important publications that has been made that are available with a very easy tool that is the QR code. So please take a look at those publications that will allow you to get inspiring insights into the achievements of the Nexus in Central Asia. Thank you very much.